Bitcoin broke down here after I had mentioned yesterday to you guys that we are forming here in Head and Shoulders. So welcome back, guys. My name is Alex from AMCrypto, and we want to have a look today if we're actually going all the way down to a technical target of the Head and Shoulders, or if we might find something here that shows us a little bit more bullishness and that we are turning around here. So let's directly dive here into the charts again. So here I am on the 1 hourly chart, as you have just seen. So, and Bitcoin has here in the last hours broken down here to the downside. So, and I had to you guys yesterday mentioned that the technical target is all the way down here, $34,694. So, and we see here also that we got a retest of the neckline after we broke it, and that is something that we usually see in a confirmed Head and Shoulders pattern, that we are first breaking down, come back to the neckline to test it as resistance, and then actually go down and have the major drop. So, and yeah, for now it looks like that we are just a couple candles away from a bigger drop. So, but let's have here a closer look to what levels we could actually drop here, because there should be some support levels on the way down. So we can see here for once we got supported here. So let me make this a little bit clearer for you guys. At 37,670, and then the next level would be 36,672. So that is major support here for me right now. So I would be really a little bit concerned if we break that level. I don't believe that that level will actually break, but if it would break, then the next support level would be actually all the way down here in that support box. So, and I had mentioned to you multiple times that with that support box there is the potential that we dip in out, but will come straight back up. And now we have here this technical pattern exactly pointing to the fact that we might get all the way down there and get exactly what I was preaching for so long time, that if we get back into that box, then we will get a bounce. So, and yeah, now we have a technical target lining up exactly into that box. So let me go into the 4 hourly chart. On the 4 hourly chart is something interesting developing, and that is a bigger falling wedge here. So now we have two contradicting patterns, and both for now they are valid. So, but which will actually here have hand over the other? So for the falling wedge, we first need to see a breakout. So, and here comes now the problem, what I believe might potentially happen. I believe we will get the breakout here pretty soon, but based on the Head and Shoulders pattern on the 1 hourly chart, what could happen is that we actually get a breakout, but roll over and then go to the downside. So it happened multiple times before with a falling wedge. So because a falling wedge has a 70% chance to break to the upside and go to the upside, and a 30% chance to break to the downside. So even if we break it to the upside, there is still that small risk that it fakes out and turns to the downside. So I would only change my bias here if we would go straight over 40,000 and would actually stay above there. Only in, then I would change my bias here with the immediate outlook in Bitcoin. So, and then we have also still all the way down here, the CME futures gap that got not filled yet. So that is between 32,985 and 34,345. This gap is still there. So, and we could also see an attempt to actually fill it. Sometimes we have some discrepancy between the price on CME and the price on the spot. So where we are deviate $500, $600. So it could be that we get here to even $1,000 possible, that we get here to $34,000, but on spot it would be 35,000. So that is also a viable scenario. Yeah guys, and let me show you also something really interesting what I have found here, and that is something fundamental for Bitcoin. So here I'm again on Glassnode for the total transfer volume from exchanges. So every Bitcoin that flows out of exchanges and is not coming back there. So we can see here that we had here a spike, and that was when we had also the peak in the market, more or less, of 150,000 Bitcoins flowing out. So, and now we have the third highest peak in year to date for this year, and that is 117,000 Bitcoins have left in July the exchanges. So that is something absolutely bullish, and that's why my long-term outlook remains bullish here. I'm not flipping bearish long-term. Long-term, I'm still extremely bullish when I see things like that on the fundamental side of Bitcoin here. So even if in the immediate short term we might get a correction here all the way down back into the support box of $35,000, it doesn't change anything that over the next coming weeks and months that we will here go above the all-time high. So, and guys, remember, if you're an experienced trader and you want to follow my trades that I normally send on Twitter, then you can go to Bybit or to Phemex in the pinned comment below. Click there on my referral link, and after an initial deposit, you will get accumulated bonus of $2,500 across both exchanges with 30x leverage. That would be $100,000 absolutely for free that you can trade with, and actually also the $2,500 you can also withdraw them after an initial deposit. And Bybit extended the $1,600 bonus until for another couple days, so you should definitely take advantage of that. That's it already for today, guys. Again, please smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And I have also something amazing news coming up pretty soon that I want to share with you guys. So tune in again and see you next time.